Hello dear students, how are you today? Today is our third day of our unit first, subject English of 7th standard, and we are learning about the 3 questions. I hope everyone might have gone through the last 2 days of our classes. Now let us continue our same unit. Last 2 classes we have seen that there is a certain king and he had 3 questions in his mind. What was that 3 questions? The 3 question was, what is the right time to begin something? Second was, which people should he listen to? And the third was, what is the most important things for him to do? So we have seen that the king is calling many wise men to give answers to his questions, but many are giving different answers. This king was not satisfied of his answers. So what did he decide? He decided to go a hermit. Hermit यानी कि सन्यासी, one who live alone. So king decided to go to hermit and he is going to hermit. When he is going to a hermit, when he is going to a sannyasi, he sees that, king sees that sannyasi is digging. Digging यानी कि खोदना. Sannyasi is digging in a ground. So seeing this king, the sannyasi is greeting the king. After that he is continuing his digging. Who is continuing his digging? The sannyasi, one who is a hermit. He is continuing his digging. After this king is asking him questions and again this sannyasi is continuing his own work. So the hermit is very old, very weak, and when he digs it is very difficult for him to take breath. By seeing this, the king is asking to the sannyasi, he is asking to the hermit, please give me, I will help you to dig. Then the sannyasi is giving to the king and king is digging and helping the sannyasi. Now let us see what is going to happen. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. When the king had dug 2 beds, 2 beds यानी कि 2 क्यारा, जो अपने क्यारा छोटा छोटा क्यारा बनाते हैं. When the king had dug 2 beds, जब किंग ने, जब राजा ने 2 क्यारा बनाया, he stopped and repeated his answers. बाद में वो क्या किया राजा ने? उसने खोदना बंद किया और सन्यासी को उसका प्रश्न पूछने लगे. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hands for the spade. What happened when this king asking question to the hermit? Hermit, what did he do? He stood up. Hermit यानी कि सन्यासी, he stood up. He got up, stretching out his hands for the spade. So before who was digging? The king was digging the ground. After that, king is stopping to dig and he is asking the same question to this sannyasi. But what did this sannyasi do? He got up and stretched out his hands for the spade. Stretch out means यानी कि लेना. उसके पास से जो स्पेड है, स्पेड यानी कि जो खोदने का कुहाड़ी है, वो लेता है. And said, now you rest, let me work. What did he tell? Now you rest. Sannyasi is telling to the king, now you rest and let me work. This much time you were digging, now let me dig and you take some rest here. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But what did this king do? He did not give this spade to the hermit. But what did he do? He continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then other. The sun went down behind the trees, and at least the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I come to you, wise men, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me, so I will return my home. What happened here? 1 hour passed, then other. Hours are passing and passing. The sun went behind the tree. The sun went behind the tree यानी कि जो सूर्य है वो behind the tree पेड़ के पीछे जाता है. And at last the king struck the spade into the ground. The king, what was he doing? He was digging the beds. So what did he do? He kept that spade there and asked again this same question to this man, the hermit. I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. I have come here to give my answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, if you are not able to give me any answer, so please tell me, so that I will go away from here to my house. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Here comes someone running. So what did hermit see? He saw that someone was running here towards the hermit and king, and he told to the king that someone is running and coming to us. The king returned around and saw a bearded man running towards them. The king turned round. King saw back and he saw that one bearded man, beard means दाढ़ी वाला, beard means having beard यानी कि दाढ़ी वाला. A man was running towards the king and hermit. One man who was running and coming, he had beard यानी कि दाढ़ी. His hands were pressed against his stomach. His hands were pressed यानी कि put with force. Pressed means put with force, कसकर दबाना. His hands were pressed against his stomach. जो आदमी दौड़कर आ रहा था उसका हाथ कहाँ था? उसके स्टमक यानी कि पेट पर था. From which blood was flowing. Flowing यानी कि bleeding. Bleeding means flowing, खून बहना. From which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. So what did they see? They see that one man was running and coming towards them, and he was fully wounded from his stomach. So much blood was coming out from his stomach. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. Afterwards, what happened? This hermit and king removed what his cloth removed, and what did they found? Wound यानी कि घा. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king washed and covered with his handkerchief. What did this king do? King washed his wounds and covered with his handkerchief. He had a handkerchief and covered with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing, but the blood was continuing flowing. It was continually flowing from his stomach. The king repressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. The king he kept his hand on that man's stomach so that blood will not flow from his stomach. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. The man felt better. After some time, the man who was bleeded, he felt better and he asked for something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. This king When he asked something to drink, the king brought very fresh water and gave to this man. Which man? Who was wounded. By this time the sun had set and the air was cool. By this time means now it became very cool, very nice. The king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. After what they do? They carried this wounded man. जो मैन गांव से वहाँ पे गिरा था उसको झोपड़ी में ले गया and laid him on the bed. और उसको बेड पे सुला दिया. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. बाद में वो मनुष्य ने क्या किया? वो अपने बेड पे सो गया. The king tried by his walk and the work he had done. The king tried by his walk and he had done. Lay down on the floor and slept through the night. King was very tired of his work. He was whole day he was digging, so he lay down on the floor. When he woke up, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who the strange bearded man laying on the bed was. So when this king got up, he sleeps in his palace on the nice bed. There is so much facility in his palace. And when he got up in this hut, in this jhopdi, when he got up, he took several time to remember. He was thinking now where I am, and he saw afterwards he remembered that I am here in this hut. After he saw that the man was laying on the bed. So dear children, today whatever I have taught you, please just go through it. Listen carefully this chapter. The next we will be following the other day. Thank you.